depression and physical illness. I'm Angela Howard, and my passion is to break the stigma of mental health issues among fellow Christians. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and follow so that you don't miss out on any of the new content. Here's our real-life question. My husband has been diagnosed with major depression. At the same time, his physical health has taken a nosedive. Is there any correlation? Depression is a brain disorder that causes a tremendous amount of emotional pain, but it also affects your immune system. In fact, it can go both ways. Some illnesses can trigger depression. So what can we do? Here are 3 tips for treating physical and mental health. Number 1, coordinate your care. There's a delicate balance between mental health and physical health. And your doctors need to know what's happening in each area of your life in order to synchronize your medications and make the best recommendations. Make sure that you're fully engaged in the process so that you're honest about your concerns, share side effects of medications, and let them know what symptoms that you might be experiencing that are new. Number 2, treat your depression. When you treat your depression, your overall health is going to be much better. The most successful treatments are often medication, therapy, and exercise, but each case is unique. Number 3, say yes to an advocate. This can be a friend or family member that comes to doctor appointments with you and takes notes, asks questions when needed, and, be honest. It can be difficult to really take in that information when you're not at your best. So having another perspective can be so helpful, both in the appointment and afterwards, to help in the whole process. Remember, as Christ followers, this world is not our home. We're not just our bodies or just our minds. We have a spirit that is eternal. 2 Corinthians 4:6 encourages us in saying, so we don't lose heart. Though our outer self is wasting away, our inner self is being renewed day by day. So what real questions about mental illness do you have? Comment below. I would love to hear from you. And please subscribe for more videos. I'll be sharing some great tips and encouragement, whatever you're facing, whether you're struggling with a mental illness or have a loved one who does.